All right, so yesterday, got the diff out, right? This is the other one. It's the open diff right here. So I'm about to run this and put this back in here because I hate, like I said, man, that welded diff. Welded diff life is not for me, bruh. So you take this off. It ain't that easy. What you do is you take all the screws off that's around it. It's only a couple. I got them all right here, right? Once you get the screws off, I hit it with a hammer, tap it, bang, 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 bang. End up breaking the damn sensor, but whatever. Got that off. Now that that's off, I'm gonna clean this surface. Shit barely even have fluid in it. That's probably why I was acting wild too. Look at that. See as well this. Barely have fluid in it. Anyway, about to refill it, top it off with coolant. Top it off with oil. Then with this right here, you're gonna scrape this off. So what I'm about to do now, start scraping. Get this off, clean your surface, get it ready, clean this surface, get it ready, so I can swap them over and get it cracking. See, welded, not welded. We're going not welded, pimping. All right, let's get it. Cool. Then you get you some 75 140. You feel me? Pour that all up in there. And I'll probably get one more thrown in there. Yeah, man. I'll put 2 for now. I'll put the third one on later. You feel me? Let's get it. Cool. So now I pretty much got it ready. Got all the gasket maker around it on that side, and got all the gasket maker around on this side. So now all I gotta do is just make the 2. So I'm about to do that. Put the screws in and get it cracking. All right, y'all. So I'm back at it. A couple hours later. So what happened was, your boy was putting the sealant on there, right? So what I did earlier, right? Remember I had filled it up with 2 quarts of the differential fluid, right? Then I put the sealant around there. Then I thought to myself, if I try to put it in right now, then the fluid's gonna leak out because it hasn't seated and sealed yet. So I waited a few hours. Now, you see it's dry. Now I can lift it up and play with it and put it in there. Pause. Pause. But yeah, I can lift it up and put it in there. You feel me? So we about to get to that. And yeah, man, let's get it cracking. All right, so now I can lift it up and put it in there. So now that's what I'm about to do. Get it ready, take it over there, put it in the back, set it up, start lifting it up a little bit so it can go back inside of the car. We can get it cracking, and hopefully tomorrow we can be dipping and driving and doing our thing, man. And you know, that's the plan. So let's get it. So last night, before my light died on me, I got the differential up. First thing you do when you put the differential up is you connect the 4 bolts that go back here on the drive shaft, which I did. The 4 drive shaft bolts, and I put on this back diff bolt right here. Then I jacked it up a little more right there, and I put those 2 bolts in. So last night, I tightened up that one, tightened up that one, I tightened up that one, and I tightened up all the ones around the drive shaft. And also put these on. I didn't tighten these up, guys, put it on. But I left this side for us to do. You know what I'm saying? I got love for us, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna do this together, you know? I couldn't leave us out of this, man. And then for the sway bar, you just put that tab into place, put that in. Same thing on this side. Flip it over, put that tab into place up, and then you put the screws through. So that's gonna be easy. And then we're gonna do this side, and then we're gonna fill up the differential fluid, and then we should be able to go dipping. So first things first, I gotta find some more screws so we can get cracking. So first what you wanna do is, well, I'll just set it up somewhere so I can show y'all. So right there, you see that lined up right there? It's not lined up yet, but it's gonna be a better light, better view. You have to see what I'm talking about. Get my tools ready, cause we about to get it cracking, y'all. All right, so what I do is I already put them on. So I put one screw in with the clip, put that in, and I put the other screw right there. Then you're gonna get the axle, like that. Line it up. I see it lined up right there. I think I messed up, see? So take that out. This is a little clip right here. You put that right there. Put that on. I forgot what they call it. Like a support washer. I forgot what they call it. The little clip. Put that right there. Spin that around. Line that up. Start getting it cracking. So now I got the gap. We're gonna make it easier, man. Tire pump these damn screws. Alright, so you just line everything up like I said, spin it, put everything on there, and there you go. And then for the sway bar, there's like little tabs. You just put the tab in there, put that in there, and put the bolts to 213 mils. You tighten those up, and then you have it. And then the wheel speed sensor that I broke, you just put that right there. We'll see if it works or not. And then I already loosened up the fill plug for that. What size is this? I forgot what size it is. Whatever size it is, you put that in there. Got me a little 14. Already got that loose. So just, you know. And then I can fill it up. And I just gotta finish filling up the fluid, and then we can go dipping. So just gotta finish tightening up the bolts on both sides. Once I do that, then I'll fill up the fluid. We can roll. Oh, I gotta tighten these up too on the sway bar. Then we can roll, man. So we almost there. We almost there. Just gotta tighten up some bolts. So let's get it. All right, body. So now we about to drain the. Well, fill the differential fluid. We ain't draining it. We're filling it. So. Now put this up in there. Fill it up. We're gonna pump it until it starts coming out. And when it starts coming out, that's when you know it's full. So I already got 2 quarts in there. This is the 3rd one. Let's see, it should be like around 3 quarts or 2.5 or something like that. I forget. There we go. It's already filled now. It goes like 2.5. That's filled. So now, put that back on. Oh, that's done now. So now, we can take it out and go dipping. That's tight. Alright, so we got it done. Everything tightened up. Everything back on. Everything together. The differential fluid filled up. Now it's time to drop the car and see what it do, man. Start it up. I still haven't checked the motor stuff. I was charging the battery last night. See what it do, man. Alright, I got the car back on the floor. I got the battery charged. Let's see what it do. Start it up. Okay. Let's see if I still have any fuel leaks. Good look, man. Cool. Well, that's cool. What y'all think? Test drive? See what it do. Alright, so we rolling. Let's see. What y'all think, man? What y'all think? I'm gonna go over here where it's a straight away, you know what I'm saying? Car is fixed. Before all RPMs will start. It runs good. So, car is done. No check engine light or nothing. That's what I'm talking about, y'all. That's what I call success, man. You know what I'm saying? So that's done. Now time to clean up, man. got everything fine. Oh yeah. Perfect. Made it back, no nothing. We got gas, we got everything, no overheating, no sputtering, no nothing. We riding, we rolling, everything good. And I thought maybe it could have been a fuel pump, but I guess not. So, time to clean up now, y'all. Peace.